Hey, hello guys, one more video I'm making now, and this video is not for esports. This is like a nature video. I want to show you a beautiful nature, beautiful flowers in the wild. Let me show you guys. Look, white flowers, beautiful white flowers. Now you have yellow flowers. There you have yellow flowers. Then white flowers, more yellow flowers. It is beautiful nature, a beautiful scenery, and I don't know where in the world you are. You may not have such beautiful scenery around. Maybe you live in a city, so a lot of people, only people, concrete buildings, traffic. So maybe you can watch this video, and this will help you relax your mind, and you can imagine breathing some fresh air instead of pollution. Look at this. I'm surrounded by beautiful nature all around me. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful scenery you have. So I hope you like this video. There is aeroplane flying overhead. Let me show you aeroplane. Where is aeroplane now? Oh no. I thought you should have seen aeroplane. Yeah, there it goes, there is aeroplane. Now you see aeroplane. Up in the sky. Look, it is not a Superman, it is aeroplane. Beautiful aeroplane. And now back to nature. Look, beautiful sunrise coming up behind the clouds. Beautiful scenery. Alright guys, so you can rewatch this video if you like it, and then I will keep making more videos. One more aeroplane, let's see. There you can see aeroplane. Helicopter, not helicopter, aeroplane. Bye bye aeroplane, bye bye. Okay, back to nature. Let me show you guys. So many flowers, so many, thousand flowers. So beautiful. Okay, this is good shot to end the video on. Okay guys, have good day, and see you later. Bye. I must show you guys. Look, pink flower. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.